Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. It's your girl again, Lady P. Okay guys, today we are going to be making watermelon and strawberry juice. Okay, I have my strawberry in here, so that is what we are making today guys. Stay tuned and watch how I make this yummy and delicious juice. It's very natural. Okay guys, so now I'm peeling the skin of the watermelon. I have in here my blender. I will be using blender for it. Okay guys, so guys, this watermelon and strawberry juice, I'm going to be making it in another different form because I'm going to give it to my kids. I'll be adding some honey to it because it's for the kids, but if I want to do it for my own, I will add some lime and ginger to it. So just watch out guys and see how I make this in another different form. Okay, so I have my watermelon in here. Now I will be adding the strawberry. I'm going to wash it properly now. Stay tuned guys. Okay, I love you all. So guys, here is my strawberry. I'm just cutting on the flour in the tip. Okay, stay tuned guys. So guys, here is my strawberry. All right guys, okay guys, I have everything in here. It's ready. Okay, it's time for me to blend. I have my blender in here. It's ready. Okay, et voila. Okay guys, is it? So here's my water. I'm going to add water to blend it. Okay guys, I just add my water. So guys, here is my honey. I'm going to add a little bit to blend it. Okay guys, so guys, I have everything in here. In case you don't know, I add 2 spoons of honey to it to blend. Okay guys, so stay tuned. So guys, do you see the juice? Wow, it's so natural, guys. So guys, try this for your kids. Even you too, you can also take this. It's very natural. Okay guys. Let me take out of it. So guys, I just take out of it, and this is the last part. So see, this is the first one. Okay guys. So guys, I am done. This is the outcome, guys. Okay, it's so natural. Trust me guys, you can also give it a try. Okay, it's not all the time you run to the supermarket to get some juice for your kids. This is natural. Okay, just give it a try and you will see. Thanks for watching guys. Please, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up guys. I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.